Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's 13 Days of Halloween, I am doing a pearl lace skeleton. I saw a picture on Pinterest and thought it was so pretty, so I wanted to try and recreate it, and I love how it turned out. This might be one of my favorite looks from this year. So it was a little tricky for me because if I recreate something, I like to go off of a picture, and this only had part of the face, so I had to make up a lot of it. So here I'm just taking a white eyeliner to try and trace everything out first before I go in with paint. And as you can see, I do already have a full face of makeup on. I wanted to do kind of pinky eyeshadows, and I did a white glitter shadow on my lid to kind of tie in the white skeleton part. If you wanted to recreate this look, you could just throw it on top of the makeup that you already had on for the day. After taking forever to outline everything with that eyeliner, I am now taking a white paint and just going over everything that I just drew. Besides hiding my eyebrows, I am also terrible at teeth. I think these actually turned out pretty good. I probably could have put them a little closer together, but I like how they turned out. Next, I'm going to do some shading on my cheeks. I actually used the same colors I did for my eyeshadow, and I'm just shading it in like I would a contour to make it look like my cheeks are hollow. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of shading around the rest of my face. I also added some shading in between the teeth just to give them some more dimension. So this was definitely the most frustrating part, trying to put these pearls on. I should have got some type of tool to help hold them, but you know me, gotta make things difficult. So I had spirit gum to attach them to my face. And yeah, it was sticking to my fingers. I was dropping them. It was a disaster, but it was all worth it because it looked so good. I couldn't really see the forehead in the picture I was going off of, so I just started randomly placing the pearls wherever I thought it looked good and needed a little more. And then once I was done, I did add some white contacts. I think it made it look really cool, but it looks good without them as well. But if you do want to make it a little more creepy, a little more Halloween-y, I definitely recommend the contacts. But that will complete this look. I really hope that y'all liked it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my other videos. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see y'all tomorrow for my next video.